Hello everyone, this is Nadine Myron. Hola a todos, me llamo Nadine Myron. Welcome to another episode of One-on-One Spanish Tutor. Today we are going to work on Lección 5. It's the present tense. We are going to continue on irregular verbs. This is the group that needs ZCO. So in this group of verbs, the only person that will be irregular is yo. So here for yo, you are going to drop the CER or CIR from the infinitive, and you are going to add ZCO only for the first person. The other personal pronouns follow the same procedure. You just add the ending for either ER verbs or IR verbs. The verb conocer is used to express familiarity or acquaintance with people, places, or things. And when you conjugate it, it sounds like this. Conozco, conoces, conoce, conocemos, conocen. We do not use the verb conocer to express knowledge of facts or information. For that purpose, we use the verb saber, and if you want to learn more about the verb saber, you can refer to Lección 6, lesson 6, which is the next lesson. Here's how we would use the verb conocer in a complete sentence. I'm just going to read the Spanish version. Yo conozco a mis vecinos. So here we use conozco because we are talking about people. Mi padre conoce México. So here we have a place. Nosotros conocemos la música de España. No conoces el restaurante. Ellos conocen a mis padres. Tú conoces las tradiciones mexicanas. Some of the verbs that belong in this group are conocer, traducir, merecer, desaparecer, conducir, pertenecer, crecer, producir, establecer, parecer. So if you notice, all of the verbs in this group have a CER or CIR ending. Here are some other examples for conjugations for other verbs. We have conducir, conduzco, conduces, conduce, conducimos, conducen. Producir, produzco, produces, produce, producimos, producen. Traducir, traduzco, traduces, traduce, traducimos, traducen. Here are examples of these verbs in complete sentences. Yo conduzco a la escuela cada mañana. El escritor traduce la novela. California produce vino. La situación parece difícil. Los niños crecen sanos. Nosotros ofrecemos ayuda a los pobres. Tú conoces muchas ciudades en México. And that is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our next lesson where we will continue with irregular verbs. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe. You can always reach out to me with any questions via my website, which is oneonOneSpanishTutor.com. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next lesson.